I've got 5 beginner-friendly fragrances to start your collection right now. All of these fragrances can be found for under $50, starting with Mont Blanc Individual. This is fresh, clean, and unique with its signature raspberry top note. Fun fact, this fragrance was so well received that Creed made their own version of this DNA called Original Santal. One of the first times a niche fragrance house replicated an affordable fragrance. I especially love wearing this fragrance at night, in cold weather, or for an occasion like going out on a date. Next on the list, we have Afnan 9 PM. Afnan is a house that specializes in clone fragrances, and 9 PM is a clone of Jean-Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male. This fragrance is ultra musky and sweet like bubblegum. Not to mention, it projects loudly and lasts forever. This is what you would call a clubbing fragrance, but it can definitely be your everyday signature. Next up is a fragrance from the house of Calvin Klein. This is Eternity Aqua. This is an affordable fragrance that fits the bill of that blue freshie. This is musky, spicy, and has plenty of watery and woody accords. It's an easygoing casual wear if you're heading out to the gym or just running errands for the day. Next, we have Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct Together. This one here is sort of a mashup of 2 of the most popular designer fragrances to date, Paco Rabanne Invictus and YSL Y. It projects a lot of sweet, fruity, and floral notes. This one is absolutely an attention and compliment getter. Last but not least, and I'm taking some liberty to include multiple fragrances rather than just one singular fragrance, but these fragrances are from the house of Banana Republic. So we have Grassland, Midnight Hour, as well as Vintage Green and Neroli Woods. Now these fragrances aren't exactly clones, but they are heavily inspired by some notable niche and designer fragrances. Grassland is heavily inspired by Creed's Green Irish Tweed, whereas Midnight Hour is more of an Aventus style. And Neroli Woods is modeled after Tom Ford's Neroli Portofino. Then you have others in the line like Vintage Green, Dark Cherry and Amber, Tobacco, and Tonka Bean that are kind of doing their own thing. So you have a great selection of a variety of different styles and DNAs, which I really absolutely love about the Banana Republic house. And most, if not all, are eau de parfum concentration, which means that they'll project a decent amount and last relatively long. I find these all the time at the rack store for under $30, and they're great pickups. So if you're new to the world of fragrances, these are all ones that I would highly recommend to start your collection. Leave a comment down below and let me know which of these fragrances do you think suits you best. And remember to subscribe so the channel can thrive. This is Jordinary World, and I'm Jordan. And if you didn't know, now you know.